Hi, I'm Donald Trump, and thanks to this new chicken wing ice cream protein, my gains have been huge.
Hey Augie, try this new product.
Wow, what's this?
I've been transformed. Thanks, chicken wing ice cream.
Hey, Alejandro, check this out. SLS canteen prices. Hey, what's this? Chicken wing ice cream. Only $2. Oh, wow. Right?
Since we got chicken wing ice cream in the canteen, we've had so many requests that we've been sold out several times, and the cash register is overflowing.
I'm Brandon Chavez, Zeb's senior, and thanks to chicken wing ice cream, you grow big and strong.
Thanks, chicken wing ice cream. I'm better than usual.